Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the 320D M Sport Touring here at Your Next Car. So within this walk around video we're going to go through some of the major talking points of features of the exterior and the interior. Starting with the exterior, as you can see the vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. Alongside that we've upgraded the alloy wheels from the 18-inch M Sport alloys to the 19-inch 704Ms. These are BMW's premium wheel of choice, and they look set against that mineral grey very nicely. So you'll often find these alloy wheels fitted to the Shadow Editions and the end-of-line 3 Series saloons and of course Tourings, and they look the absolute part when they are set against that mineral grey. So at the front of the vehicle you'll notice we have got the LED daytime running lights on this vehicle, alongside the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. And down the side of the car we've also got the satin side vinyls, sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. We've had these alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and they do also come with all 4 brand new tyres. And we'll move on now and give you a glance of the interior. In this vehicle it does come with the black Dakota Leather with the electric lumbar option. And of course, being the touring model, you've got an exceptionally spacious rear seat arrangement, which is the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course that very nice black M Sport headlining. And the exterior and interior on this vehicle are all in fantastic order. And again, just showing you off these 19-inch alloy wheels before heading round to the rear of the vehicle, where we have the satin black rear diffuser, and of course that famous automatic opening and closing tailgate that you find on the 3 Series Touring, which reveals the exceptionally large boot space, and alongside the exquisitely presented genuine BMW floor mats, along with the factory fitted luggage cover and dog guard that you have on the 3 Series Touring. And we'll shut that boot down before heading round to the other side of the vehicle, where again I'll just show you how nicely presented this vehicle really is, and just how well it sits on the Shadow Edition 19-inch 704M alloy wheels. Before we head on inside, there you can see again just how nicely it all works together and how clean and tidy everything is on the exterior. Heading on inside, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle up. The vehicle is the 320D, so it is the 190 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel with the 6-speed manual option. We've got the BMW business navigation and media screen. At the moment we've currently got the DAB screen up, as you can see there. We've also got a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Alongside that it does come with Bluetooth telephone and audio, satellite navigation of course. And if I head back to the main menu, I can quickly show you the vehicle service information and service requirements of the car. The vehicle itself has covered just over 56,000 miles. And as you've already seen, it is a 2015 65 reg. As you can clearly see on screen now, everything is highlighted in green, giving an indication that all of the service life left on all of the filters and parts are all okay currently. And I've got plenty of life left in, 17,000 miles till next service due. And the vehicle does have full BMW service history, right from the first service all the way up to the most recent. And the most recent visit to BMW was at 55540. And that was for a engine oil and microfilter, and including the vehicle check. Okay, so as always I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where we'll of course be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And you'll also find down below in the description all of the relevant contact information, and of course a link to our website to check out this vehicle in further detail should you require to, along with the prices and of course finance options for this very nice 320D M Sport Touring. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We do of course hope you enjoyed it, but most of all we do hope to see yourselves very soon here at Your Next Car. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.